Asana is a pose in yoga. Asana, on the other hand, is the task management tool that allows you to set priorities, keep them, make sure that things do not fall through the cracks, and ultimately get more things done. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 6 Asana automations that will turbocharge your workflow, such as creating tasks on the fly, automating the task creation process, and even using the context in your computer to create more descriptive tasks faster. Today we're thrilled to be adding Asana as a Bardeen integration. Bardeen is a no-code, human-in-the-loop workflow automation tool. What this means is that you get to trigger automations when you need it, and you can also input the relevant information such as what task you want created. Let's take a look together. First things first, let's create Asana tasks faster. So here I have a playbook that will create an Asana task for myself. And here's the human-in-the-loop part. What do I want the task to be? Task A. That's going to be the name, and we can also give it a description. So let's do description, confirm, and run this playbook. It's going to create a task in Asana. We can hide it and keep doing what we're doing, or just click on view the task to see the task created right there. Again, you do not have to open new tabs, and you can do things a lot faster from anywhere on your computer. Now let's imagine you are having a meeting and you want to create a task related to that meeting. Let's click on option B once again, and let's create an Asana task for the calendar event. So it's going to be the current calendar event, the one that we're having imagined right now, and give it a name. Let's do task B, and let's add it to a project. We have the redesign campaign and assign it to somebody. So in this case, it's going to be Bardeen. Run this playbook, and it's going to retrieve the context from the event, such as description and the name of the event. And here we have the task B, the name of the call, which is demo call, and the description from the event itself. Now let's imagine we have some follow-up items and we want to automate this process. So we have add Asana to follow up on the current meeting. Let's add it to a project. Bardeen redesign campaign, assign it to somebody, and run this playbook. As you can see, we have the task created with the name of the event included and also the description. You can click on view task. But in this case, what we want to do is want to make the follow-ups done automatically. So let's create a trigger event. Let's say when meeting has passed the duration of. You can create a meeting, say 1 minute after it started, or say 30 minutes after it started. Then you can run the follow-up playbook. In this case, it's going to be this playbook. Specify the project, redesign campaign with assignee, Bardeen, click on run this. So next time I have a meeting that started, it's going to create an Asana task automatically. We just talked about automating Asana tasks in the context of meetings, and now let's try to transfer and manipulate existing tasks using other apps. For example, we can save all tasks to Google Sheets. So let's click on the automation, pick the project, and pick a spreadsheet. It can be an existing spreadsheet, or we can create a new one using a nested command. Let's say demo Asana. That's going to be the name of our spreadsheet, and let's run this playbook. So Bardeen just downloaded all of the tasks from Asana and created a spreadsheet out of them. Here's how it looks like. Here are all of the tasks. You can organize them nicely. We have the name, the link. If you want to visit an Asana task, you can do that. Just click on the link. And another really cool automation is saving Asana tasks to Notion in just a few clicks. As before, we need to specify the project and the Notion database. In this case, it's Asana tasks. And let's just run this playbook. Again, you can do this command from anywhere on your computer. So here we have all of the tasks from Asana created over here with assignees, due dates, and a lot more information. Lastly, let's use Bardeen in the context of a page that we're looking at. So here we are on Upwork, and say there are a bunch of opportunities that we want to potentially apply to in the future. So I'm going to open a few opportunities just like this one, and I'm going to see if they're interesting enough for me. And if they are, I'm going to use our scraper playbook. So Upwork apply tasks in Asana is going to capture information from this page and create an Asana task with all of the information from this page itself. Let's click on view task, and here we have the template name, apply on Upwork, and the name of the gig right there with the information, such as the URL if you want to read more, or the description. And we can do the same thing on the other pages and capture the context of those pages. So let's click on apply Upwork, and let's run this other automation from here. apply Upwork, and it's going to also retrieve the information, so you can just move through tabs that you're interested in and run this automation. So here's the latest task, and here's the task before. Fix Google AdWords campaign. And this is it. This were the top 6 playbooks to turbocharge your Asana workflows. If you're not a Bardeen user yet, go to bardeen.ai to download the extension, or just follow the link below. And I'll see you there. Cheers.